Hi, and welcome to the NeuroTracker Science Series, where we discuss the relevance and key findings of our most impactful peer-reviewed studies. The study we are covering today is evaluating the effect of a perceptual cognitive task on the landing biomechanics of the lower limb. This study is particularly interesting as it focuses on a unique application of the NeuroTracker task. In sports, and especially in soccer, we commonly hear about ACL injuries. This pilot study investigated the effects of a game situation cognitive load on lower limb biomechanics, using a landing task relevant to straining of the ACL. 7 college-level healthy athletes performed 16 single-leg landing trials, involving a jump forward and a lateral jump to the opposite leg. The movements were measured using force plates and motion capture of the legs and pelvis using 36 markers. The NeuroTracker task represented a controlled simulation of sports-related cognitive load, and it was randomly assigned to half of the trials, with jumps performed during the tracking phase. Results from this study show that the hip and knee kinematics of all athletes changed significantly while training with NeuroTracker, compared to just jumping alone. More specifically, the largest effect was a change in the knee abduction angle, resulting in increased strain on the ACL. This change in movement of the knee abduction angle occurred with 60% of the participants, suggesting that some individuals may be more susceptible than others. The study also demonstrated that attentional demand significantly increased the risks of ACL injury through changes in motor skill function. With higher cognitive load on the individual, the landing mechanics of the lower limb can change. Though this is injury-specific, it is logical to infer that this influence is generic to other motor skill-based injury risks as well, and that NeuroTracker baselines can be used to both identify these risks and provide intervention through training up these attentional resources. Though this was only an exploratory pilot study, the results indicate that short NeuroTracker assessments combined with analysis of motor skill tasks could offer a valid way to identify susceptibility to certain types of injury. Hypothetically speaking, NeuroTracker training interventions may also be a solution for reducing any such injury risks. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about this study or any of our other published research, then click on the link to download the NeuroTracker Science Summary document, or stay tuned to watch the next NeuroTracker Science video in the series.